Hi everyone, I have a Temu haul. I am an affiliate with them. I do have a coupon code for new users. It is fav45575. You can also put this code in the search bar on the app or the website and it will take you to my storefront to show you like all the things that I have over there in my cart type of a thing. And then I will leave a link down below with all of these items. You can find that in the description box. So some of the stuff was sent to me and some of the stuff I did pay for, and I'm trying to gear more towards Christmas now, but I did get some Halloween stuff, so I'm going to share that with you guys. And like this one is a good example of, I did buy this one in black, but they also have red and green and purple and blue and white, I think were the other colors, so I am going to buy those as well. But this one was $5.33. I think it's a great deal. You get the cute little case and it has a double closure here. And then how cute are these tiny little scissors here. Then you do get the cord if you make bracelets. And then you just get a mix of like charms right here in the middle. Oh, that one's cute. Look at that. So there's some bows, a star, a rabbit, a teddy bear here. So just a little mix of items. I'm going to put that back in there. And then we have like a gunmetal color, black, silver. There are these black little like, well, they're more like a gray flower. Then we have this darker flower over here, which you can see the difference in the shading. So there's those. There's this one that's also different. We have some white skulls, black skulls. These look like soccer balls to me. And then we have like zebra. These are pony beads. We got some half black, half clear, some black. So really good little set for like any kind of crafting. Like I said, I do want to get this in the other colors because with Christmas coming up, I definitely want to get the red and the green as well. So I did get some dies. I'm sure you guys follow Craft Purge. She was doing a challenge of where you sent die cuts and she got me. Like people were sending in die cuts and I had to go and get some of them. So a lot of them I did add to my cart and was like, I'll get them later. But there was just some that I had to have. And this was one of the sets right here. So you have this gorgeous witch broom right here. And I liked how big it was. If you make an embellishment book, this would fit so pretty on the spine of your embellishment book. And then it comes with all the layers. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 different layers just for the broom. And then look at this witch hat. I loved how it was like torn at the edge. So I was like, oh my gosh, I need that one in my life. There is a pretty bow here. And I think the girl that sent hers in did put the bow on the witch's hat and it was really cute. We have a skull. Oh, there's the buckle for the witch's hat. Like, I don't remember what these were. Is this a moon? I don't remember what this is for. Then we got some bones, a pumpkin, a spider web, the spider. And then I guess these are just like little torn pieces that you can die cut out. I don't know. I have to look at the picture again. But I fell in love with that one. And that was $4.07. So I had to get that one. And then there was this layered one as well that I had to get because I fell in love with the bat and the spider. And this was $5.64 for this one. And it is pretty large. Well, both of these are pretty large dies. So here's your cat. And then you have your bat. And then here's your spider. There's a pumpkin. You can also layer the pumpkin. Oh, see, look. Here's the spider face. So here's the spider face. Here's the bat, and here's the bat face. And then, oh, here's the, like the belt buckle for the witch's hat and like the little like seam part there. And then here's the cat. So here's the cat with the tail. And then you put this layer on and then you have the face layer here as well. So tons of little pieces in there. That's going to be really fun to play with. They came out gorgeous on the swap. And then I got this die that is a Christmas die. And this one was $2.68. And it is a layer die here. So it says believe. So you're gonna twist this part out. Let's see if I can do this with my hands. There we go. So you're gonna die cut this part, and then you're gonna die cut this background. So this is your background piece, and then there's like your shattering layering piece. And then there's this one that has Santa in the sleigh with his little Rudolph, and it says ho ho ho. I thought these were super cute as well, so I had to have that. Sometimes when you see things on Temu, it'll sell out really fast. So if you see something that you really, really want, you need to get it. That's why I was afraid that these two die sets were going to be gone, because sometimes they sell out and they don't restock them. So I was like, I have to have those two. And the same thing with this one. I really want to try card making. So I thought these were really cute. These are all different Merry Christmas. So there's 5 different sets, and it's going to be the same thing like these, where you're going to pop out that middle piece and then have your background shadow piece. So all of these are the same like that. So like this one, the Christmas part is all one word, but the Merry, you're going to have to put down each little letter there. And then over here, you got the Merry Christmas all swirly. So I think you can kind of see like that too. So they're really pretty. I had to have that one, and that was $4.86. Here's some more items that I just had to have. I thought they're so cute. These are tiny little penguins. They actually are like little resin pieces for your nails. I cannot do this thick like stuff for my nails, but they make adorable little embellishments to go ahead and add. So I thought the penguins were so cute, and I don't remember seeing them last year when I was looking at Christmas stuff. So I got 50 pieces for $1.94. Then 10 pieces for $2.45. And oh, these were so cute. Look at these little Santa faces. I thought those were just really adorable. So I was like, okay, I totally need those. And this one I had to have because, again, I was afraid that it was going to like be sold out and I couldn't find it anymore. And you guys know I love my Disney, so I had to get Mickey. I wish his nose was red, so I'm definitely going to try to paint that and make him into like a little Rudolph. I think that'd be really cute. And then these beads just look like regular, really cute, just Disney beads. They're not necessarily Christmas. And then you get black, red, white, and then some polka dots for Minnie. So all the Disney colors there. But I just had to get these little reindeer Mickeys. They were just so cute. That was 25 pieces for $5.14. And I did find just the Mickey beads, and they were like $5.93, I think. So that's why I went with this one, because I'm like, this is a way better deal because you get all the little extra pieces. So I got that one. Okay, I saw some girl do like a spring like tutorial on YouTube where it was so cute. She made like a cell phone strap, and I wanted to make some for Christmas. So 100 pieces for $3.23. And I'm sure you're like, I don't need 100 pieces. But if you think about it, you could use red for a lot of things. You got Valentine's Day, you got Christmas, you know, maybe your swap partner's favorite color is just red. So I just thought these were really cool. Let me see if I can pull one out. Oh, I think I'm gonna have to untie it. But, oh, there we go. So it's just like a little cell phone strap here. Then you put the jump ring through here. And you could go ahead and add like, she did like a little wristlet thing. And I just thought it was really cute. You can also do like a smaller dangle and then put this through, what is it, like an eye loop? Eyelet. There we go. Through an eyelet and just like dangle it off. So tons of different ideas for those. So I definitely needed those. I wish that this was gold instead of silver, but I couldn't find any. Like all of them were silver, so I just had to go with it. My last couple little items here are stamps. So for $3.43, I thought this one was really cute because it's numbers. And oh no, I thought it would go to 25, but I think it might only go to 24 now that I'm looking at it. Oh, it does. Oh, that's a bummer. I thought it was like a full 1 through 25. So I thought, you know, maybe like if you're doing a Christmas swap or something, this would be really good to have. But yeah, you are missing the 25. So that's kind of a bummer. Oh, look at the 13 though. Like that 13 you could definitely use for Halloween because it's just stars. So this is what it looks like up close. Especially if you're doing like just a 12 days of Christmas swap, that would be really good to use. But kind of sad that there's no 25. So I got that set. Then I got this one. It was $3.09. And again, for trying to make some cards, I thought this would be really cute to go ahead and use. I love this one. Don't open until Christmas. I thought that was really cute. So I love that. Then I got this one that's all like stamps. I love postage stamps. I think it's so stinking cute. So this was $4.87. Let me open this up because there's some stamps on the bottom that you can't see. So we got Santa's Mail, North Pole Express. So some of these are so stinking cute. Like, look at this one. Like, oh, that doesn't really like give anything like Christmassy. So you could use that like if you like vintage and like junk journal stuff. North Pole, 25 cents. Merry Christmas. Oh, it looks like this stamp kind of got like eaten right there, but I don't think it affected like the actual like stamping part. See, like that one's super cute. Yeah, some of these I could use for like vintage projects, so that's really cool. So yeah, love this. Oh look, it's from LA October. Huh. I don't know if that was like a real stamp of something. That's cool. So love that. So that's my little haul for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. If you guys have any questions, let me know. If you guys ever need help trying to find anything, definitely let me know. I love searching on Temu for different items, and I'm more than happy to help you guys out. We'll see you later. Bye, guys.